So the question says to find the shortest distance from point E, which is here, and on the diagram, through the points F and G. So I've drawn the line through F and G. Can't quite see what G looks like, but anyway. So the first thing we're going to do, find the slope of the line we're given, which is FG. And slope equals y2 minus y1, so it's going to be 4 minus 2 divided by 3 minus negative 5. 3 minus negative 5 is going to be plus 5 eventually. So 4 minus 2 is 2, and 3 plus 5 is 8, so we've got 1 over 4. And we know the equation of FG will be y equals mx plus b. We're going to need both equations of both lines here. So therefore y equals 1/4 x plus b. How do we find b? Well, we sub for either f or g. And let's go for g because it's maybe a little easier. So sub 4, 3, 4. That tells me that x is 3. X is going to go in there at 3. Let's put it in red so you can see. And y is going to go in there. So we get that 4 for the y equals 1/4 of 3 plus b. Now we've got fractions. Nobody likes fractions, but they're quite easy. This bit here that says 1/4 times 3, well, 3 times 1/4 is 3/4. And we're going to need to convert this 4 here into 4, so it's 16/4, isn't it? Plus b, and if we subtract 3/4, we get 13/4 for b. So b is 13/4. So that line, this line FG, has equation y equals 1/4 x plus 13/4. Now we're going to find the equation of line, this perpendicular line here. So if it's perpendicular, we know it must have a slope that's a negative reciprocal of the slope we just found here, which is 1/4 up the top to the right. And the negative reciprocal of that is going to be negative 4 over 1, or negative 4. So therefore we get a new line, y equals mx plus b, or negative 4x, because that's the slope, plus b. How do we find b? Well, we've got a sub for a point that's on the line, and we know that e is on that line, 1, negative 4. So we sub for 1, negative 4. And we know here that the x value is going to be the 1, and the y value is going to be negative 4. So negative 4 equals negative 4 times 1 plus b. So negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Looks like those 4s are going to disappear, the same thing each side, so b equals 0. So the final equation of this line through E is y equals negative 4x. b is 0, so it just stays as negative 4x. And when we go on to the next page, we're going to put both of these two equations here equal to each other. So therefore we're going to put negative 4x equal to 1/4 x. 13. So we know that this point here was the point of intersection, which was negative, what was it? Comma negative 52 over 17. And this point here, E, is given in the question as 1, comma, negative 4. I put it in the wrong place, haven't I? It should be 1, negative 4 should be down here. Never mind, doesn't matter. Okay, now to find the answer, we've got to find the distance between those 2 points using the distance formula. To our graph here we got the point, so it's negative 13 over 17, positive 52 over 17. That is the intersection there. The graph is not very accurate because the point 1, negative 4 is here, and we got that bit wrong. But now we've got to find the distance between these 2 points here. This is the shortest distance. We're trying to find the distance of this blue line here. Okay, so we're going to go from 1, negative 4. So our two equations were y equals negative 4x and y equals 1/4 x plus, let's go back and have a look. So we're going to put both equal to each other. So negative 4x equals 1/4 x plus 13 over 4. So we're going to subtract 1/4 x. So we're going to convert this one, let's do it in red, this one into fourths. So 4 is 16 over 4, so it's negative 16 over 4 minus 1/4 x equals 13 over 4. So negative 16 minus 1 is negative 17 over 4x equals 13 over 4. And those 4's will cancel out because we get 13 over 4 times negative 4 over 17, which is 13 over 17. Not very nice numbers. So this will give me negative 13 over 17. If I sub that now back into the top equation, y equals negative 4x, I get y equals negative 4 times negative 13 over 17, which is 52 over 17. And then if we look at our coordinate is negative 13 over 17, comma, positive 52 over 17. And if we look back, 13 over 17.